Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with ymyhair. They sent me this beautiful blonde baddie and I challenged myself to install her in under 10 minutes, even without a dark root. Now you guys already know it is 2024. You can wear whatever kind of hair, shape, size, color, length that you want. But once upon a time, pulling off a color like this was nearly impossible without a dark root. Dark root was definitely our crutch 5 years plus ago. But as you guys can see, I pulled the strawberry blonde baddie off and she does have that beautiful 613 highlight or skunk stripe, whatever you want to call it. I am absolutely in love. The curls were literally straight out of the box curls and look at how nice and neat and professional they are. I'm going to show you guys how to install, especially how to get it to melt and blend for a brown skin complexion. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, today I've teamed up with ymyhair and we are going blonde. Now I love a good blonde moment to pop out. Of course we all can do a natural brown, but can you, especially as a brown girl, pull off the blonde? Now I'm saying this and I'm all bold, but we haven't even got started yet. So this one here I can see is 26 inches in length and I am seeing her in person for the first time, so I'm super excited. It's giving blonde a highlight. So as you guys can see, we have this beautiful, I would call it like maybe like a strawberry blonde here, but we also have that 613 highlight. I love this so much. We have some curls at the bottom and you guys know I love to go in with a hairspray and spray my curls just so that was a lot of hairspray, but I like to curl or spray my curls with a hairspray straight out of the box. And this sometimes will help to kind of like maintain them and hold them because you know, even if the curls are already there, once you go ahead and put the wig on, part it, brush it, and do all of the things, a lot of the times the curls drop. And we want to be able to do a 10-minute install, and that includes the time to style the hair. So this is what she looks like in the inside. The lace is free part, which means you can part literally anywhere you want and there is no restrictions from ear to ear. It is a frontal. It looks like it's about 4 inches in length. I could be wrong, but I'll have the dimensions in the description box. And then this is what the nape looks like, so we're going to cut that off. We're going to cut that tag. Also, there is a adjustable elastic band and it mimics that blonde so that if it, you know, your hair is up in an updo and this kind of peeks out, it shouldn't, but if it does, we will be unclockable. So let's go ahead and cut all this off, adjust all the straps, put her on, and let's see if we can install her even as a blonde baddie in 10 minutes or less. I can't even see if this looks good or not. I'm gonna use some scissors and cut a little of the lace off. Ooh. Now the reason I'm not gonna cut it all off just yet is because I wanna see if we wanna customize anything. Jumping off or straight off the bat, it's most certainly giving like Keisha Cole, like I changed my mind, I don't love you no more, or love. That era Keisha Cole is exactly what this vibe is giving. And this is what she looks like from the back. Now I'm nervous for my brown complexion, but I'm also excited because this one looks good, really good. So let me make sure everything is fired up. Let's pull her back and let's do a quick and easy install. fact that I did in fact get this wig installed in under 10 minutes, and I went ahead and pulled out the curls, and we don't need to touch her up. Now, if you want to be over, and how do you say it, an overachiever, and go ahead and recurl it to your own liking, go ahead. But I just feel like my curls have gotten a lot better, but they're not perfect. So I can very well go and take all this time to recurl it just to not love it more than this. This is perfect. You see how it has that like perfect little the little bang, and it goes right in there. It complements that little 613 blonde streak perfectly, and even this side does the same thing. So I'm pretty sure that I can touch it up. I'm pretty sure that I can perfect it, but I'm also pretty sure that I can also mess up the curls. So let me show you guys what it looks like from the back. This is what she looks like from the back. Absolutely gorgeous. So as I mentioned, this one did come from ymyhair. Do I have it backwards? Oh no, the cap wasn't on. So this one did come from ymyhair, and this is like the box and the packaging. Super nice, even inside. I'm itching. And then this is what it looks like in the inside. You do get some goodies. For starters, you do get your dust bag with the logo. And this is your home for your wig. We did also get a pack of invisible HD wig caps. We also got a blue, like a minty blue baby hair brush, a pack of mink lashes, an extra dolphin clip, which you guys know you can never have too many of these. And this one does say ymyhair on it. And then last but most certainly not least, we got the melt belt. This is key because with especially this color lace, I'm always gonna have to make sure it's super melted. Now, as far as mine, I did want to go in and add baby hair, but I didn't really want to like perfectly pull together some structured baby hair. So as you guys can see at the 11th hour right here, I did add a little piece. I didn't really do too much, and I really just put that product or edge control at the base and kind of swooped it. Pretty sure I may go back in and switch it up or perfect it. Same thing over here. I pulled some hairs forward to kind of like mimic baby hair, but I didn't perfectly swoop them. So as I put the melt belt on and as I reinstall, I will, but I just like the way it looks, like imperfect but perfect in its own way. Absolutely a beautiful wig, and as you guys can see, she's definitely brown girl friendly. So I'll have a link and all the details down below. Be sure to check her out. Also, don't forget to subscribe on your way out for more videos. I'm so excited, all of the holiday content that is coming up. YouTube really put a battery in my back when I went to the shopping event last month, or in real time in this month. By the time you see this video, it'll be last month in October. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.